Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are having an update on the Finalmouse Starlight Pro TenZ edition. So as you know, yesterday Finalmouse launched 40,000 units of the Starlight Pro TenZ edition. I think 20,000 in small and 20,000 in medium. And both of them are sold out yesterday. I think the medium sold out in 10 minutes and the small sold out in like 6 hours. And your boy, of course, copped two of them. What the heck is this? Copped two, one small, one medium for the review. I am probably going to review it and then keep one, sell one. So if anybody's interested in buying one that you didn't cop yesterday, let me know after I get the mouse. Just DM me on Twitter, user Flynn, and I'll probably sell one. Whichever one I like more, I'll keep. Whichever one I like less, that doesn't fit my hand, I will sell. And let's just talk about the mouse a little bit. I mean, magnesium alloy, same like the other Starlights. This is new. The engraving of the Starlight is new, and I kind of like the color scheme with the silver and the black stripe. Kind of looks like a sports car. And the new scroll wheel, as you can see, there's no like grips on the scroll wheel. There's no like patterns. It's just smooth, and that copy doesn't look centered. So, people make it a big deal. They say the Finalmouse scroll wheel aren't centered, but I don't think it's that big of a deal. I mean, like I'm using a Superlight right now, and the scroll wheel is just always there. I mean, it's not like if it's offset a little bit, you can't find it. It's the same scroll wheel. Just move your fingers and start scrolling. I mean, as long as it works, I don't really care if it's a little offset. But I will have to test it once I get the mouse in hand. They said it should ship next month. July 17th drop will begin ship out around middle of August, so like August 14th. 4 to 6 week wait time is just an estimate. There's no guarantee that the order will ship in the order they receive. So I finished my checkout at like the first minute. So like I think it started out at 5, maybe 4. I checked out like 5:01. So yeah, I mean, I don't really care if it's ship in order as long as I get the mouse, and I'll post a review both on YouTube, and then I will of course be doing the live unboxing and review on Twitch. International buyers, I don't care. I'm not international. The weight is 42 grams for the small, 47 grams for the medium. 5 grams difference. Probably won't feel it that much. Probably the main difference will be the size for the medium and small. I don't know. I'm kind of a claw gripper, so maybe I'll prefer the medium more, but we'll have to see if I switch over to like fingertip or something. Finalmouse sensor, good. Tournament wireless, good. Battery performance, 1000 hertz pulling rate. What's the battery performance on this? Estimated 7 weeks. Average use case 3 weeks. Below average use case 7 weeks. Ideal case 16 plus weeks. So I mean, you charge every 3 weeks doesn't seem that bad. I mean, my Finalmouse I charge like once every month, so about the same. Uh, yeah, I mean, I use 800 DPI. I don't care about that. 1000 hertz pulling rate sensor, wireless. I mean, all the same thing. 1 millisecond response time. You know the deal. Here are the pictures. It looks sick. I mean, we can go to Finalmouse Twitter to Finalmouse. They had like videos on it. Let's just check media. I mean, smoke's coming out. Insta radiant. Your finger, as soon as your finger touches the mouse, you hit radiant on Valorant. Doesn't matter what rank you are. Here's it on a spinning disc. It's kind of shiny though. I kind of like it. PTFE feet. So the top and the sides are made out of magnesium alloy, and the bottom is like I think plastic or something for the wireless signals to go through. And yeah, here's it on the desk. Here's the wireless receiver. I mean, looks sick. It has improvements on the old Starlight. New and improved Pro chassis made out of magnesium alloy, the lightest structured metal on Earth. So if you want to fight a lighter structured metal, you might have to go to Mars. Yeah, lightest in the world. 40-gram range, next gen wireless, 2 months battery life. They just said 3 weeks, so I don't know what the fuck 2 months came from. Comes with all new infinity skin V2. Oh, okay, this is new. I know the old Starlights didn't come with the infinity skins, so these ones are coming with infinity skins. So the small ones actually might be a good cop with the infinity skin on top. You might have like a really good size with the small with the skins on. We'll definitely try those out. And yeah, I think other than that, that's it. So once I get the mouse, I will do an unboxing live on Twitch, review live on Twitch, like initial impression live on Twitch, and then post those on YouTube, and I'll make a separate like 1 week review and then 1 month review for if there's any QA issues. I mean, I thought the katana came with the mouse, but it didn't. That would have been sick if anybody who got the mouse also bought it, came with the katana, the whole black katana looking like Tanjiro over here. But hey, it is what it is. I paid $200 for one, didn't get a katana on the side. Like, seems like it's kind of rigged, but we'll see. As long as it turns me into TenZ, I'll be hitting headshots and 200k on aim labs, a grid shot. I'm satisfied, so I don't really care about the scroll wheel centered, but yeah, I mean, that's it. Here's the current mouse with the paint wearing off. Had this for like, I think almost 2 years, a year and a half. We'll be testing it on the Zero Soft. I had this for like a year and a half, 2 years. Yeah, probably a year. A year on this, like a year and a half on this. Keyboard rocking the Wu-Ting 60HE, fastest keyboard on the market, fastest mouse on the market. So I'm basically gonna be TenZ after I get the mouse. I mean, that's how it goes, right? Like, white keycaps. Yeah, I mean, your boy's hitting Radiant, ranked #1 after I got the mouse. So that's that. Thank you guys for watching. Drop me a follow on Twitter to keep updated, and subscribe on YouTube. Don't miss the unboxing and review. Peace.